In this video, I wanna focus on the features not discussed in the previous tutorials, so no duplicate information here. But for newcomers, Brain and BrainState Nodes together form the signal-driven state machine of ReuseLogic Nexus Addon, my custom OP solution for expandable, reusable systems. Check the description if you have no clue what I'm talking about. Getting to work, first upgrade the add-on to version 0.1.2 beta. Just replace the files and reload the project. If you see the star signal name in the BrainState node, you've successfully upgraded the add-on. Navigate to the Brain Inspector and have a look at the signal list resource. As you see, it has a duplicate of the Brain signal list array, but if you try to change it, it doesn't work. The reason is that it gets its value directly from the Brain signal list array. There are times when a change in the project breaks everything, and you may lose your Brain signal array. Recreating it is a nightmare. You can use this resource to make a backup. Right-click and save it. Keep it in mind that the newly saved resource is still linked to the Brain node. Any change in it won't be saved, and a change in the Brain node will update the saved resource backup. This is not what we want. Simply right-click and clear the resource in the Brain node. A new resource will immediately be created and linked to the signal list array. Now the connection between the backup file and the Brain node is broken. To use the backup, you can simply drag and drop it into the Brain node. Adding a new brain, let's test it out. No connection is created. The backup file maintains its independency. You can also use the system to create signal list blueprints. Let's make one. Drag and drop it onto the brain, and any signal name which doesn't already exist in the brain will be added to the array. This means that the Brain node guards itself against duplicate entries. You don't have to worry about that. Now let's have a look at the brain state. I am not gonna read the code comments for you or re-explain what is already covered in the previous tutorials. Here is the new thing. When you add a state, you probably want a signal to start it. In the previous versions, you'd have to navigate to the brain node, make the signal, navigate to the brain state, and select the signal. But now you can simply type the name of the signal here and click on the Add Start Signal button. It will automatically add it to the brain as the first entry and assign it to the start state on property. How cool is that? Special thanks to Huang Richard for this brilliant idea. Have you got any suggestions? Feel free to share it in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you up in the next video.